In this video, I will show you how to create a custom report in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now on the top menu bar, click on Analytics. This will take you to the Analytics section where you can track and analyze your team's performance. On the left side panel, click on Reports. Here you will see a list of existing reports. To create a new one, click on the plus button on the top right corner of the page. A setup window will appear where you can choose the module you want to create a report for. Once you've selected them, click Continue. Next, you will be asked to choose a report type. You can choose from tabular, summary, or matrix depending on how you want the data to be displayed. After that, you will see options to add or remove columns. Select columns to total and even define criteria to filter your results. You can take a moment to organize your report layout and preview it to see how it looks. Once everything is ready, click Save. A pop-up will appear where you can enter your report name and optionally add a short description for better reference. Click Save again and your newly created custom report will now appear in your list of reports under Analytics. And that's how to create a custom report in Zoho Desk.